Hello everyone. So let's talk about database. So what is database? Since you are watching this video, you have already heard this term. A database is an organized collection of data that is stored, managed and accessed electronically. It is designed to efficiently handle large amount of structured, semi-structured or unstructured data, and it allows users or applications to retrieve, update and manage that data effectively. In database, data is systematically organized into tables, records, fields, or other formats. Database provides the means for efficient data retrieval and manipulation. It can ensure accuracy and consistency of data through rules and constraints. It also offers access controls to protect that data from unauthorized access. Database offers scalability, meaning it can handle increasing volumes of data and users. Also, in database systems, multiple users or applications can access the data simultaneously. So we can understand that database is very useful for us. But we did not always have databases. What did we use back then? We used files, but now we mainly use databases as they are better. The difference between a file and a database lies in their purpose, structure, and how they are used to store, manage, and access data. In conclusion, files are suitable for simple storage and applications, while databases are ideal for complex, large scale, and multi user environments where data integrity, security, and the efficient management are critical. Files are generally unstructured or semi structured. They are managed manually. Single user or application can access the files normally. The scalability is very limited and the security is very basic. On the other hand, databases are highly structured and there are database management systems. Database can be accessed by multiple users concurrently generally. The scalability is of course much higher here and there are many security systems in databases. Databases can be of many types such as relational databases, NoSQL databases, etc. Let's talk about relational databases or RDBMS. Here, data is stored in tables with rows and columns. It uses SQL, that is structured query language, for data operations. Examples can be MySQL, Oracle Database, Microsoft SQL Server. SQL is the standardized programming language designed for managing and manipulating relational databases. It enables users to interact with databases by performing operations like querying, updating, and managing data, as well as defining and controlling database structures. Here we can see a sample of a table of relational database. Each record or entry is a row and each attribute of an entry is a column. The attributes can be of different data types which should be appropriately defined for the values. A query in database is a request to retrieve, manipulate, or update data stored within the database. Queries allow users to interact with the database to perform operations like searching for specific information, adding new data, modifying existing data, or even creating database structures. In relational databases, queries are typically written in SQL, that is structured query language. In NoSQL databases, query formats vary depending on the database type. The queries can be of different types such as DDL, data definition language, DQL, data query language, DML, data manipulation language, DCL, data control language, TCL, transaction control language. Data definition language queries are used to create, alter, or drop database structures like tables, indexes, or schemas. Data query language queries extract specific data from the database. Data manipulation language queries are used to modify, insert, or delete data in the database. Data control language queries are used for managing user access and permissions. Transaction control language queries manage database transactions for consistency and integrity.